What makes us who we are? Is it our dreams and how we achieve them? Is it what we say or what we do? When a company is made up of amazing people who challenge themselves, who truly value and respect each other and give their all to themselves and others, the company has no choice but to match that drive. We aim high, we shoot for the moon, and it's our people who land us there. We push the boundaries of what's possible. It's not about asking, will it work, but rather, how do we make it work? We learned early on that working in silos isn't for us. Doing it together keeps us nimble and moving forward, because the team can't succeed unless everyone succeeds. And that's what we are, a team. It's that mentality that has turned our once 3-person team in a garage into the TemperPack that exists today. We strive to be the most respected. We want people to believe in us, and that means doing the right thing, the right way, every time. It also means we have to test our products relentlessly. We do internal testing, external testing, structured testing, heck, even some informal testing. We do all of this because we love the process. Design, test, create, repeat. We do whatever it takes to ensure that everything we make lives up to our mission, to protect products with packaging that protect the planet. Values aren't just printed and followed. They are inspired by the actions of employees. Actions that help others, inspire people, and continue to propel innovation every day. We don't follow values, we embody them.